Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Harris 250 Crowne. Starting in the bow of this 2020 Harris Crowne 250. There's a real nice front end on it. Little step area. Lit cup holders. Very nice seating on both sides. Has this teak table. It flips over to the side so you can walk by. It opens up into a larger table. Also serves as a table that will go down, more like a little cocktail table. Has a very good stereo system on it, the JL audio. This has got a power tower. So you can see it's really large. Give you a lot of sunshade. Simrad touchscreen unit, tilt steering wheel. Has a digital throttle and shift. High back captain's chair. Tilt and recline. Also has the bolster. It's powered by a Mercury 300 horse 4-stroke engine. More cup holders. More speakers here in the rear. This is the 2020 Harris 250 Crowne. If you'd like to come by MarineMax at Lake Norman and see this Harris 250 Crowne, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Look forward to working with you.